Hello, everyone. Today we will introduce a video surveillance solution based on the Flask framework and OpenCV library. This solution is dedicated to providing a real-time video surveillance system. By accessing the specified port in the browser, users can watch the video stream captured by the USB camera in real time. Our solution runs on the YY3568 development board. Give full play to the performance of the K3568 chip platform, designed for embedded applications. Just run a Python script. Start monitoring service. Users enter the corresponding address and port. Easier access to real-time video surveillance pages. Let's briefly introduce this code. First, create a Flask application. Set up routing. The index function is called when accessing the path. At this time, the index.attl page will be rendered by Flask and sent to the client browser. This is a generator function. Open camera using OpenCV and continuously read frames. Each frame is JPEG encoded and replaced in multiple parts. Real-time transmission to the client in the form of HTTP response. Set up another route. The video_feed function is called when accessing video_feed. Returns a Flask response object using the video stream generated above. When the script runs, the Flask app runs on port 5000. 0.0.0.0 means accepting access from all public IPs. The HTML page is also relatively simple. The only core part is the image element here. Through zerl_for function provided by Flask, get the URL of the route named video_feed, used to display live video streams. With Flask and OpenCV, the solution is cross-platform to a certain extent. Can smoothly be run on different operating systems. Using USB camera as video source, users can connect various types of USB cameras according to their needs. This video surveillance solution is suitable for both embedded development. It is easy to operate and provides core functions of real-time monitoring, flexible to meet the needs of various application scenarios. If necessary, you can use the intranet penetration tool to map the corresponding port to the public network. Realize remote video surveillance. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.